Yan, merong bird show dito. Nanood kami ng bird show.
Okay, this is sweet for our birds. Okay, so this right here is azul, and this is blue. Now before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. So for the boys, let's cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. Okay, now for the girls, let's cheer for azul. Come on girls, say go azul, go azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Okay, birds ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for our birds. Here comes both birds to the table. First ball for both birds, second ball for both birds, and for the last ball, blue wins this game. That's our reference. Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round? Okay, birds ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for azul this time. Here comes blue leading the way. First ring for blue, second ring, oh hey, what is this? Azul picks up all three rings at the same time. How clever was it? And extend your left arm sideways. Okay, then no matter what will happen, please don't move your arm, okay? Right, everyone, let's all meet our money bird blue. Our money bird can detect if the money is fake or not. There you go, blue flies over, grabs the money. What's next, blue? Blue flies back to the table and I guess who wants to? There you go, donate your money. Sorry I'm getting that. Since okay lang mo, how about next round? 500 pesos. Kaya ka sir, 500. We're actually just kidding, it's just part of the show. We'll return your money, but before that, you'll have a photo opportunity with you for a souvenir. Okay, so just follow Trainer Kata's instructions. Okay, smile and pose together with our money bird. Okay, here's your money back. So before you go back to your seat and you follow our photographer, he will give you a printed copy of your photo. Right here is a female parrot that is because of her bright red coloring. Now guys, take note that this shape box puzzle is alert behavior. minerals along the riverbanks. Let's shake that in.
Rectangle.
There you go. Pretty much it right. A round of applause for greening all better. An object that needed each year, you can do it, Goldie. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find an object for us. Where can it be? Goldie searching. There you go. Saint bird, Goldie. Two, Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, and Snow, our beluga cockatoo. So again, guys, you get up close and personal with these three lovely birds. Okay, this is sweet for them. This right there is Sweetie, that is Snow, that is Nigel. Okay, let's start. Now here with me is our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitat along the edges of subtropical rainforests. Now they can easily be distinguished through the other white cockatoos by their yellow crest. Okay, so this is their crest. Now their scientific name is Kakatua galerita. Up next, right there is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Umbrella cockatoos are also called great white cockatoos. That is because of their woolly white crest that graces like for the three kinds of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. So again, we have our Malugan cockatoos, no? Our sulfur crested cockatoo Tweety, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. I'll be needing two numbers for you guys between 1 to 20. Any numbers please between 1 to 20? 5. How about this side? 9? Okay, so our equation is 5 plus 9. We all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if Mathematical Wizard can solve the equation. But before that, let me just shuffle the numbers first. There you go, now our numbers have been shuffled. Let's all meet our mathematical wizard, Snow. Wow. Okay, Snow, so our equation is 5 plus 9. Nananatuloy if kaya ka niya ni Snow. Okay na? Alright, Snow, solve the equation for us. Ooh, there you go. Snow gets number 1. Is the first number correct? I'm really very sure. Is it correct? Okay, so complete your answer.
Whoa!
Oh, there you go. So 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. Alright, let's give her an applause for mathematical wizard. Do not raise your hand, okay? Again, if the bird will fly above you, please do not raise your hand. There you go. Now, Brahminic kite, scientifically known as Alyastor indus. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, South. In Australia, they're called sea eagles. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, they're locally known as Lawin or Manong in the Visayas region. So as you can see, guys, both our trainers are wearing a glove that is called a falconry gauntlet. So it's used to protect their hand from their sharp talons and beak. Right, let's give a round of applause for our rabbit guide kingdom. Now in the world of birds of prey, females are usually larger than the males. That is because their better position in nesting and breeding behavior. Now next is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now Philippine serpent eagles are typically known as Philornis bulospinus. Now these birds can easily be distinguished through the white spots on their body and yellow face. Now they are called serpent eagles. It's because in the wild they prey on reptiles and snakes. Okay, ready your cameras guys, this friend will now fly across. Now just a fun fact.
Ay, homing pigeons. Ano?
There you go, our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability. Meaning they can go back to their nest to mate. Have a special sense called the magnetic reception, where they can detect the Earth's magnetic layers, perceive direction and altitude. Okay, there you go. Let's give a round of applause for raptors and our homing pigeons.
Yo, kabalo sila nga sila na.
Now here's emotional art.
Kabalo sila nga sila na magpasimak ba?
So we're not only trying to take care of our present. Now Earth is what we have in common. It is our responsibility to take good care of it. By simple means of proper waste disposal means big impact in saving our beloved Earth. It keeps our environment fresh and clean, saves the Earth from pollution. Okay, there you go. Now, see if Batman can do it, then so can we. So guys, before you go, if you want some souvenir photos with our lovely birds, you can approach us here in front after the show, and we have our official photographer right there. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now let me introduce you to the animals and traders that made the show possible. We have Vince Cockers, our DJ. We have Bandit, our green-wing mamba with Kata. We have Nix on the back of the house with our homing pigeons. And along with all staff here at the Ocean Park, this is Ken and Irby, your host today. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. So again guys, if you want some souvenir photos with our